it's Dane at JONAH Guitars. Hey, it's new tool day, kinda, sorta. I've been wanting to get one of these sanding drums on the handle thing that you put your drill on for a while now. And I just happened to see another video. So yeah, I saw a couple of them actually. They both mentioned Elevate as the supplier, one of the suppliers. I've seen them on Grizzly and I've seen them various places, but it looks like a really solid tool, and the price was definitely right at, I think it was right at $150. So if you ever watch any, oh, I'm sorry, this is the unboxing. You struggle with me, work really hard at this, and imagine that this came in a box wrapped in paper and packed in paper, and I had to cut the tape on the box and take it out. So then we're at that point. Then actually it comes with a piece of sandpaper supplied, and I stuck it on the roller already as well. Now I did miss the very point right here. Anyway, so I am going to attempt to use this. It will be the first time I've used it. I've never used one before. I thought this would be great to sand the edge of guitar bodies with. 80 grit on this. It sounded, when they said it was supplied with 80 grit, it sounded a little aggressive to me, but I don't think that in the solid body context it will be that aggressive. And so I did another thing. I have a parrot vise right here that is just out of the frame. It does not open large enough for me to capture 3 of these bodies. These bodies are 1 3/4 inch thick. I would have stacked 3 bodies together. I have 3 bodies in the works right now, and I would have double taped them all together. As it is, I did 2. I just feel like the 1 3/4 inch for balance here, I'm sure it can be done, but you know what, a wider surface is going to be a lot more stable. Plus I kill 2 bodies with 1 roller. So I'm going to go ahead and put those in the vise, and we'll get to it. Okay, so I'm just putting it in the drill, checking it up, and I'm just using a small, very small hand drill here. It's a 12-volt Craftsman, and right now I'm just running it righty-tighty kind of thing. And so I'm going to start right here. I think I'm going to use my thumb just because it seems more natural than my finger from this direction. And let's see what happens. As you can see, I'm just testing some things out, so I'm not going to try to be terribly aggressive speed-wise. I might go a little quicker this time. I think I'm going to concentrate in this area and then flip it around and do this. These are all run off by the same template, but these horns don't line up exactly. These bottom ones do. It's kind of interesting. That is making nice progress. I think having 2 together is a good idea. If you can see it, there's a pencil line I just happen to have right here on the edge where the cutoff is, the arm contour. Definitely, this is an ash body. This is alder. Got a little bit of a dip right here. Anyway, I like this a lot. It's a lot easier than doing this by hand. A caution though is I just caught myself doing it. Don't change directions with the wheel spinning. You don't want to create a divot. Easy to do. I'm going to push it toward you this time, so I'm sanding this way now. Ash looks really good. A little bit proud of the alder right here still. I'm hitting that pencil line now. I like that. I think that's coming along pretty nicely. I've still got a little bit of an offset here. I think it's weird that the two bodies actually weren't exactly the same, coming out the same template. I've got some ripples on the ash side. The alder is looking really good. I'm going to concentrate on the butt end here. Okay, I'm really good all the way around here now, so I like that a lot. I'm going to go ahead and cut you loose, and I'm just going to keep sanding on this, but I just wanted to unbox this, quotation, unbox this for you and show you how it works. Elevate Guitar Tools, or Elevate Lutherie, I believe, and they have quite a few different things on their website. It's a 2-inch diameter. It's a solid aluminum drum. Very solid. It's got good, I mean, solidly built. It's got, the bearings aren't, you know, there's nothing wanky or moving around or anything like that. And it's a solid aluminum drum as opposed to something with a rubber, you know, coating on it. And so there's no room for give for you to, you know, be mushing around and rounding corners out. So it's very cool. Very happy with that. And that's it for now. Take care, guys. All right, folks. So Avery's guitar, and we are demoing the rolling pin style sander that I just got today from Elevate Lutherie, and it's pretty cool. I already did this once, but I think it needed to be a little bigger, so I trimmed it out again. I already sanded all the edges with it and everything, and it's been working great. So I was just trying different things to see what I like the best. I would normally do this with the random orbital sander or my deadhead sander, which happens to be covered in plastic right now because I was spraying some stuff and I didn't want to get lacquer on it. But the 2 times I've done this, I really like the way it works. I've just got some saw marks right here I'm going to chase out yet. And the line is only a guide. It's not in stone. Feels very good. It's got a little ripple on it, and I can use a little hand sander that contours into things just to get the wrinkles out. And I could even use the jitterbug here. It's usually better on flat surfaces. As you can see, did a fabulous job on that, as long as you don't roll it over the edges too much. Still got a little bit of a ripple. All right. I think we're in really good shape now. Feels really good up here. All through here, still got a little ripple right here. And I've noticed that on that strap when I was using the alder, seems to do that. I think it just kind of has soft spots and they sand faster than the other spots. Where's it? I do have this stick. I do this a lot. I just put paper on a stick, and that kind of goes, bridges a lot of areas, so you're only hitting the high spots. Really good on curves like this. If you have little lumps from the router, you can get them like that. Good deal. Anyway, I don't want to spend a lot of time on this because I just wanted to show off the new rolling pin. It's sweet.